What does wellness mean to you? What are you doing? Like, that's all you're having? Hello everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna, also known as Eheads Fit, and today I'm joined by my friend Suzu again. And this weekend is very exciting because we're doing a wellness weekend! This is like a legit wellness retreat for the weekend. Wellness retreat at Anna's. And we have an itinerary. Saturday, 12 p.m., make lunch. And we didn't make lunch because I had a lot of leftovers, but we are having our lunch almost right on schedule. We have Bon Appetit garlicky chicken and rice soup, which is like extra loaded with vegetables. And then this is the Sunny App honey sticky chicky wings, and then just some bakery bread. And then we have one other friend joining us. What are we gonna do? Go for a walk, do a workout, make dinner, and then have some team bonding time with face masks. And then tomorrow we have some like yoga, meditation, massage. Anyways, that's our weekend. We're gonna vlog it for you. We're gonna eat now. I'm so hungry. Okay. I want you to try my soup. This is the soup I make like every single week. Oh, okay. I make it like at least once a month, sometimes 3 times a month. And it tastes different every time. Like it's really green today.
It's very good.
Really good for party snacks. Especially if you have a big oven.
This is our friend Kana.
Here.
Yay! We are about to go on a walk. We're going on a walk. We're on our walk. Kana's a different vibe than us.
Apparently we're gonna work out after this.
Yeah, these two are not prepared for our wellness weekend for some reason.
Well, I think we're gonna walk. It's gonna probably be like half an hour, and then workout will be a 12-minute Mad Fit dance plus maybe a Natasha HIIT workout.
No, breathe in. I'm missing it. That looks funny. You look like Voldemort.
Finished our walk. We walked actually for about like an hour. We walked for an hour. We walked about 5,000 steps. We're now stopping for some juice, and I'm gonna get something with like apple, turmeric, lemon, ginger. Are you ready for our workout?
I'm ready for a workout.
Are you ready for a workout?
Don't film me.
Yum. It's really yummy. I can drink this in like 1 second, but I'll try not to.
No, you savor it.
I finished my juice. We finished our walk. What time is it?
3:40.
3:40. So we're going to make Sezi's Sunny Passion Fruit Vegan Cheesecake and let that cool, I guess, while we work out. We bake, we work out, and then we're gonna have to like shower and then make dinner right away. It's a busy, busy evening.
Why is Kana so slow?
I don't know. Kana's not trying to be involved.
Kana's not in the wellness weekend mindset.
Yeah.
That I wanted her to be in.
Maybe we need to do like a little bit of a like icebreaker. What does wellness mean to you?
Oh yes. Wellness to me is both physical and mind. So I don't know, don't put me on the spot.
This is reminding me of your explanations of the art at the Louvre. Insert clip here.
So I'm pretty sure the scene is when she's being carried away. This was on my test. The end. Yeah. It's pretty much just very, very famous.
That's pretty much it. This one's just basically very famous.
2 cups shredded coconut.
Pie dish.
Okay. Cup measure. I can't find it. Wait, Kana, where is it? Where's the measuring cup? Oh, what? 2. so gross.
Yeah, it doesn't look very nice.
Oh. So creamy.
Creamy. Wow.
Are you guys having fun?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. We need to marinate some of the stuff we're gonna make for dinner, which is an Eastern chicken and miso glazed tofu. So I'm gonna make the marinade now so that those can sit while we work out. Yay! And then, and then when we finish working out, we can just pop everything on the frying pan or the oven, and then we will not need too much time. So let's get going on dinner.
Hi. So we made this chicken marinade. Katie, I'm talking. Oh. It's called the Eastern chicken. So we're gonna marinate this for about 1 hour. The crust of our vegan cheesecake came out like this. It puffed up quite a bit, so there isn't that much space for the filling, but it looks good. Hi. Ooh, I'm so oily. Oh, this is nice lighting. Okay, so now mate. Okay, go. Whoa. Do you have a lot of followers from Japan?
No.
Or is it? Oh, really?
You should speak in English.
아, 소문난다.
She's
Thick.
She's thick.
And I'm
know
still
how to crush-
working on the marinated tofu. Doesn't look good yet. And I'm struggling with the garlic.
I mean, crushed garlic. Is it just like this? This is fine.
Yeah. YouTubers always do like this.
Yeah, I do that too.
Oh.
Bye! Okay. The time has come for our workout. So we're doing a 12-minute dance warm-up with Mad Fit, and then probably a 15-minute or less Natasha.
Fast food better.
Okay. A 15 or less minute Natasha Ocean HIIT workout. Enjoy. I love that one because it always starts off super like chill and like stretching and like neck rolls, but then by the end of the 3 songs your heart rate is up quite high. How are you guys feeling? Is your heart rate not up?
Not really. There's only one song.
All right. What are you doing? You copied it again. I'm the only one dying. You know the TikTok that's like, put on a cute ass outfit, walk towards your camera at 0.3 speed. Can we do some stretching? All right.
Okay, let's begin.
Time for bulldog.
Dinner. I feel like I need a shower. They're now making beet hummus. Yes. For our cauliflower. And then the chicken is in the oven. Yeah. I guess I will make the tofu. Oh, actually, yeah, maybe we should. Wait, no. Let's just show first. Oh, no, stop.
Oh, what?
We almost finished cooking, but everything we made looks really mediocre. Here we have the miso glazed tofu. I bought the wrong kind of tofu, and so it got really mushy. Hence, the Eastern chicken. It looks good. However, I did not have tomato paste, and so we used some marinara sauce. And then also took discretion to add lemon, and now it tastes like a funky marinara sauce lemon combination. Susie was in charge of the beet hummus, which looks really good. and actually tastes good. Yay! So, congrats. Korean spicy instant noodle. And apparently it's like so spicy. And there's people trying it on YouTube. I've never seen that. How spicy is it?
Very spicy. I couldn't finish it.
I don't remember.
Oh, so it's kind of like your first time.
I could not finish the pack.
But I remember I was like, kick was suffering.
Like, that's all you're having?
I'm not gonna. You don't have to finish the whole thing. It smells good though. Smell it. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, it's spicy.
So I think it comes afterward.
It came right away for me.
Yeah, it's not as bad as I remember.
Yeah.
Is it gonna like hit us later? It doesn't feel that bad. I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I like it. It is spicy. Oh, my battery's fine. It is spicy and it's like lingering in my mouth.
No, it's lingering.
But like also comes in waves.
I think this is the best dish of the night.
No, I think the beets is the best.
That's true. The beets.
And apparently the cake is also kind of
mediocre.
We'll see. All right, and the grand finale, the vegan cheesecake. Please try. Ooh, nice crunch. What? We have a whole cake. I don't really taste the tofu.
Really?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Nice.
You have a whole cake.
Would you rather be a superhero or the world's best chef?
Superhero. I'd rather be the world's best chef.
Everyone's like, oh my god, did you hear about Anna? She's the world's best
No,
chef.
I'm superhero. Oh my god, Anna's such a superhero. She did this and that and that.
No, but you're like just born with that talent. What's the most embarrassing thing you ever accidentally messaged to somebody?
I'm sure I have one. I'm just trying to think of it right now.
How do you like your
I
eggs?
suck at this.
Okay, let's watch the weirdest show.
Yeah.
In the mornings, I pretty much never get full, and I could eat forever. So, Kana made me another bowl of the spicy ramen. This is a carbonara one, so it's like kind of cheesy, and I don't like cheese, but it should make it less spicy. Yeah,
Is it good?
it's good. It doesn't taste super cheesy.
Really?
Yeah. I wish this was more like dramatic for you guys. Should I watch YouTube videos of other people doing it?
Oh my god. How do people do this?
I don't know if I can do this anymore. It's like killing me.
I feel like I can breathe fire now. Oh my god, it wasn't worth it.
Oh my god, my lips are burning, my tongue's burning.
Okay, what are we doing today? Yoga or meditation?
Should we take a walk right here?
I really don't want to walk.
I feel so gross right now.
Where's our itinerary?
Oh, should we team bond?
Oh. We already did that yesterday.
That was not team bonding. That was like ice
Should we
cream.
play games?
Yeah, we can play games.
Let's do game night.
Okay.
Game
Game day. I guess we're gonna do game day. So, I propose 2 games. Unstable Unicorns. This one's like, takes a little bit more time and effort to learn, but can do. And then Taco, Goat, Cat, Cheese, Pizza. I like this game. We're gonna go this way, okay? So when a gorilla comes out, then you have to go like this and beat your chest and then hit it. Taco.
What?
Yeah, it always starts with taco, yeah. Taco.
Oh.
Cat.
Cat. What? Chill.
Taco.
Cat.
Goat. Taco.
Cat. I think I did this instead.
I feel like you did.
Cat. 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 Goat.
That was so
Delayed.
slow.
I'm so bad at this. taco.
Cat. Woo.
No.
Oh! You have the whole deck? I didn't know you were that close.
Yeah.
You have the whole deck. Oh. Who is more afraid of horror movies? Who's more likely to go 1 week without showering? Who has a bigger butt? Who's more likely to stay in bed all day? I feel like I could do. Who is more annoying? Who can talk their way out of a fine? Yeah. Who's more likely to travel solo? Who is bitchy? Who's more likely to fart in a lift? Who's bitchier?
Oh. I think you're bitchy.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you are. What? Really? Who's more likely to eat something off the ground? Who is more likely to go to heaven?
Me.
What? Who's more rambunctious? I feel like that sounds like something I would be. Lunch.
The most fail wellness weekend ever.
Yeah.
You guys
Super gross.
came into it with the not right mentality.
Yes.
Okay?
Yum. So healthy. Finite. How was your pizza?
It was delicious. We ate that so quickly.
How do you feel about Wellness Weekend?
Wow. We didn't
Yes.
do like 90% of the things we were planning on doing.
How was your pizza?
It was really good, but I feel a bit nauseous now.
Oh my God.
Nauseous.
How have you felt about Wellness Weekend?
I think we need to redo it because it was definitely not a wellness weekend. I feel a little more gross than I did before.
Maybe we shouldn't work out before Wellness Weekend, like on this
Yeah.
video.
Why'd you work out before?
Yeah, why
I
did
didn't
you?
know it exactly. I forgot the exact schedule we had. Maybe someone can send a list next time. Like, hey, we're meeting at 11 a.m. We're gonna eat a salad, like a nice
we
salad
decided
lunch.
that.
Yeah, but I forgot. I didn't know. I didn't write it down.
We did make a TikTok, so go over to my Instagram to go check that out.
Did you post it on your Insta?
Not yet. Okay, well thank you all for joining me on Wellness Weekend.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for another video. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs like this. Thanks for watching.